Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Sony Xperia Z5 Premium to Oppo device. Firstly, go into Play Store on both of them and tap on the search bars. Then type in Send Anywhere and install this free app from this developer. I already did that on Sony because it was taking forever, so I can open it right away. And now, from the screen here, just I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Now you need to select Send on Sony and Receive on Oppo. Following that, tap on all of those type of dots and just send. This way you will select all of your files and transfer them later on. I will go with Send now, just got it, and as you can see from here, we have two ways to connect. We can scan QR code by tapping on the scanning icon on Oppo, choosing while using the app or only this time and pointing our camera at the code. But we can also just input this key here and tap on Receive. And now, after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!